Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make the image sharper on your Samsung ViewFinity S6 when it's connected to the Windows laptop or Windows PC. So first of all, we're gonna have to go to the system settings, then go to system on the sidebar, then select display in this menu, and then you're gonna have to select the monitor. Once you do that, the monitor, of course, by monitor I mean your external monitor, and then you're gonna have, if you don't see your monitor split in two, expand this list and select extend these displays to see two monitors instead of just one. After that, select your monitor and scroll down to display resolution. Now in display resolution, change the value to from Full HD, for example, if you have it set as default. So I lost my mouse pointer. Full HD to 2K. So this one, and then tap keep changes, and this will make the image of your monitor much sharper. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.